up, fellow doll collectors and gift givers? Today is all about fashion, so get ready for a little haul. And I say little because everything is in miniature and a DIY. First up, Barbie Puma Fashion Packs. I have been looking forward to these for quite a while. I have been searching all my Targets and we finally found them. Priced at $9.99, you get one outfit and some accessories. Usually, a fashion pack this size gives us 2 outfits, but it looks like they're just switching it up and giving us more Puma accessories. That Puma logo is on almost everything. We found 4 different fashion packs. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is all one piece with an elastic waistband and Velcros in the back. It's blue, pink, white, and black. There's a little strip of ribbon at the neck. We can see a small Puma logo on the side and down the sleeves. It's a long sleeve top attached to a pair of black shorts. It comes with a highlighter yellow tote bag, pink camera, sunglasses, bracelet, a necklace, and a beanie. The beanie is really cute. It is printed on a t-shirt material, so it is kind of white underneath. If you get little holes in it, you'll see it. It'll be like little white spots. You can kind of see that one right there. There is a little bit of a lip going around the edge, and it's crossed on the top and sewn. Many of you wanted to know if Barbie clothes could fit OMG dolls. For this outfit, I'm gonna say it's a little too loose at the top. The shorts fit pretty good. The top is just way too large. Definitely too large for Hair Amazing. But it looks really good on an Integrity Toys doll. Well, of course it does. I make everything look good. And a curvy, made-to-move Barbie. This is a perfect fit. This set comes with a pair of shoes. Awesome! It comes with black shorts that are a great fit for OMG dolls. The shorts have an elastic waistband and they're made out of a stretchy material, so they can probably fit a lot of different dolls. They are a little loose on Hair Amazing, but doable if you really want to. Perfect on a curvy Barbie, a little loose, but works on an Integrity Toys doll. Look at that! They look great on Wild Heart's crew. In fact, they can wear the hoodie and the shorts, and the pink belt purse, and the backpack. Pretty much everything but the shoes and the glasses. Of course, our Barbie looks great in these clothes. The hoodie velcros in the back. The shoes look like the same shoes that came out with the Barbie Puma dolls that came out last year, I want to say. They are not split in the back. Instead, there are 2 holes where they had the ribbon for the other shoes. So you just have to be careful when putting these shoes on and when taking them off. It's a little difficult. I'm afraid I'm going to break my doll's ankle, so I'm probably just going to use these shoes for display, because I don't trust myself. This fashion pack also comes with a pair of shoes. They are the same shoes, they're just all pink. It also comes with a pink skirt with an elastic waistband that has a white stripe on both sides, a black and white t-shirt that velcros in the back, a mint green hip bag, a light orange purse, white baseball cap, a plastic blue hair accessory. It's a headband that looks like a tied scarf, and a silver-colored chain bracelet. Ooh, pants. Loose fit burgundy pants with a pink stripe going down the sides, a pink sleeveless top, blue bag, yellow visor, sunglasses, gold-colored necklace, Puma watch, and a water bottle. These pants are pretty loose. I am interested in seeing if they can fit Ken. Here is our BMR 1959 doll that we gave a new head, and he can totally fit these Puma pants. They stop right at the ankle, so they'll look good with a pair of shoes. The hat can fit a Ken doll with a little less hair. Wow, that's a really good fit. And it's good to know there are a few pieces that can fit our guys. I just took a quick run to Walmart and found some more. These were $4.94 each. We have a white, pink, and yellow oversized tee, a black hip bag, and silver-colored sunglasses. And yes, the shirt can fit our guys. Here is a blue and white matching set. There's a long sleeve shirt with a stripe going down both arms, and a blue and white skirt with an elastic waistband. It also comes with an orange hat and a water bottle. The skirt is very fitted for our curvy Barbies. You might need to take a little extra time getting the hands through the sleeves. But once you get it on, it is very cute. This fashion pack is definitely one of my favorites. We have purple sweatpants with a white stripe going down the sides. There's elastic at the waist, cuffs at the bottom, a white short sleeve tee with Puma in black, gold colored headphones, and a blue Puma watch. These Puma fashion packs are right in line with how I like dressing my dolls. Realistic, casual fashion looks like clothes we could find in department stores for us. While I was at Walmart, I ran across these Barbie and Ken fashion packs. They were $9.99 each, and they've got kind of a little matching theme. This one is like tie-dye, here's plaid, and stars. Ken has dark gray faux denim pants and a dark blue shirt with mustard-colored stars. This pack also comes with an asymmetrical skirt with ruffles, a star sleeveless shirt, a white purse, and sunglasses. Very cute. Let's take a look at the plaid pack. It comes with a multicolored dress with the shoulders cut out and a ruffle around the top, a blue purse that can go across the body. I can't get these shorts to close on the back for my made-to-move Ken. These will probably be a good fit for a slim Ken. The shirt has two different plaids, it velcros in the front, and is a great fit. It also comes with a white watch. This fashion pack has me thinking about the summer. It comes with a long tie-dye dress that wraps in the front and velcros in the back. I paired it with the included purse. For Ken, we have bright green shorts, a navy blue tie-dye tank top, and blue sunglasses. I would have liked for the shorts to have been a little bit longer, like to the kneecap. But I really like that the guys have a few more fashion packs so we can mix and match the pieces to create our own style. And I just saw that there are shoe accessory packs for Ken. I don't know if these are new, but this is the first time I've seen them. It has 4 pairs of shoes, a metallic, deep red, dark blue, and a tannish golden yellow. So far, I love the Puma fashion packs the most. There is still one set I haven't found. It's got a pink top and black shorts. So I drove to another Walmart, but I still couldn't find it. But I did find something else. 2 career fashion packs. One is a black and white dress with no Velcro in the back, a hot pink jacket, and a tablet. The other pack was cotton pants with an elastic waistband, a t-shirt with a printed sweater vest and tie, and a pink science book. This outfit looks pretty good on our Barbies. If you get enough, you can pretend like they all go to private school and have to wear uniforms. I like that. I also couldn't resist picking up these Barbie Skipper Babysitters Inc. doll and accessory packs. These were $9.99 at Target. This one has a hard plastic mat with a sticker of animals. Fisher-Price giraffes go on the side. It says Fisher-Price on the top. There's a turtle car, pink bear, a ball with the Barbie logo, and a bobblehead baby. Wow, that sounds terrible. This pack has a diaper bag, and it looks like there is a little water play. It comes with a purple diaper bag, and the back folds down to reveal a changing mat. It comes with a little towel, a bottle that can actually hold liquid, a small container of wipes, a snack for the baby, a bottle of some kind of lotion, an extra diaper, a hat, and a baby wearing a diaper. The baby can drink water from the bottle. Then, we need to change the diaper. There's Velcro on one side, and yep, there's poo. Take the wipe out of the container, place it in warm water, and then clean the little bottom. Okay, all clean. It's a little graphic. Put on a clean diaper, and the cycle starts again. Everything fits inside the diaper bag, so we can keep track of all of our baby stuff. It is snack and bath time for this baby. We get a well-shaped tub, an attachment that goes on the side to hold body wash, and a rubber ducky. All right, let's put the body wash on there. It doesn't really want to stay. Oh, okay. I got it this time. Seriously? The baby comes wearing a blue diaper, pink bib, and has a little bit of a messy face because someone's been eating popsicles. The popsicle has a sponge on the back. Use cold water to make a mess. Put warm water on the tiny towel to clean its face. There you go. There's a small tub of ice cream and a bowl. After snack time, place the baby in the tub, then wrap him up in the little ducky towel. These are an adorable addition to our dioramas. I just left and went to Walmart and tried one more time to find that last Puma fashion pack. I didn't find it, but I did find another Barbie and Ken fashion pack. This one is red, white, and blue. It has a sleeveless polka dot dress with flowers at the top, a white collar, and a plastic red headband. It has Velcro in the back and is blue. This pack also comes with a red, blue, and white striped shirt. It Velcros in the front and there are printed buttons on the front. It's a solid red in the back. It comes with printed denim shorts. They are rolled at the bottom and stop a little above the knee. There are printed pockets on the back. Once again, I do wish the shorts were a little longer, but the shirt is longer, which I like, because it can fit our Integrity Toys guys. I found these two accessory packs. They were $4.99 each. One comes with a popsicle, hot dog, cell phone, a really cool purse, another purse that says Sunday Fun Day, a puppy, gold sunglasses, suntan lotion or sunblock, a visor. I want to say this is a necklace with a flower on it, and a small blue bracelet. The Sunday Fun Day bag is just like the Puma bag. The other accessory pack has two bags as well, a string of tickets, like the kind you would see at a carnival, purple cotton candy, a pretzel, popcorn, a green camera, stuffed animal, it's a little lamb, heart sunglasses, a star necklace, and a bracelet. I think we got some really great pieces. I absolutely love all of the Puma stuff. And I just need one more fashion pack to finish my collection. But until I find that, let's finish this video with a DIY. I made an underwear pattern that will be available on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. This is for some undies, and this will make a sports bra. For the fabric, I'm using a t-shirt material and 1/4 inch braided elastic. Place the pattern onto the t-shirt. Use pins to secure it. Carefully cut them out so you have the bottom and the top. Find a thread that matches. Turn the fabric over so the good side is facing down. On the curved sides, fold the edge over and sew it in place. If you're sewing by hand, use a back stitch where you go through the fabric. This is where you come up through the fabric and go back in right before the last stitch. Then let's go up a little bit right before, then go back in right at the last stitch. Or we can use a sewing machine, and I'm gonna set mine to a zigzag stitch, then slowly sew along the curve, giving a neat edge. Repeat for the other side. Tie and cut the loose strings. With the good side facing up, fold it in half, matching the corner on one side. Sew a straight line going across. Now we have two choices. We can open it up, fold down the top and sew a zigzag stitch, or we can add elastic. Lay it so the good side is facing up, place the elastic near the edge, And I'm gonna give myself a little bit of space for mistakes. Change thread to match the elastic. Sew the elastic in place using a straight stitch and pulling the elastic slightly. Carefully trim off the excess. With the good side on the inside, fold it in half, lining up the edges. Sew a straight line going down. Turn it inside out to make a pair of undies. This pattern fits an original Made to Move Barbie, and the height of the undies will change depending on where you place the elastic. We got some pretty good coverage there. For the top, I'm changing my thread back to gray. Turn the fabric over so the good side is facing down. On the sides, fold over and hem the curve. This will be the opening for the arms. I'm using a zigzag stitch. After sewing both sides, fold over and sew the neckline from one end to the other. The hardest part is over. Trim the loose strings. Take these pieces and fold them in half, matching them up with the raw edge. We're gonna do that on both sides. Sew a straight line going down the sides. My seam allowance is about 1/4 of an inch on each side. Open it up, place the elastic right on the bottom edge. Change thread to match the elastic. Sew a straight line, lightly pulling the elastic. Fold it in half, matching up the raw edges. Then sew a straight line going down. Trim off the excess. Flip it inside out. Place it on the doll feet first to make a sports bra that can be worn under some of the Puma tops. And she's wearing the undies under the shorts. You can see the elastic at the top. This is some pretty detailed, tiny sewing, so it may take a few tries. It took me quite a few. But with all these crop tops, a sports bra definitely comes in handy. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some Barbie fashion packs and accessories. We hope this helped you a little bit when deciding on which fashions to look for. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaches, sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down?